There are also two types of selectors that are related to parent and child relationship, or that are related to inheritance of HTML elements inside of your page. So there are descendant selector and child selector. Well, with descendant selector, we can select all child or children and subchildren HTML elements of some parent element. So in this specific case, we want to select all li elements that are child or subchild of ul element. And we will apply this background color on these elements. On the other hand, with child selector, we can select only direct child or children of some specific parent element. So in our case, we want to select all child li elements for ul parent element. All subchildren elements will not be selected with this selector.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.